guys, in this video I will show you how to buy data on Lyca Mobile. First of all, open any web browser on your device and search for Lyca Mobile data plans, including your country name in the search. Then, go to the official Lyca Mobile website for your region. For example, if you're in Germany, open the German Lyca Mobile site. Next, choose the data plan you want. For instance, a 60 gigabyte plan for £15.99 and click Buy Now. Enter your mobile number and before proceeding, make sure to select whether you have a SIM card or eSIM. You can also add extras or top-ups if you want. Then click Checkout at the bottom of the screen. Fill in your first name, last name, and email address and confirm your purchase. Once completed, your mobile data plan will be activated and available on your device. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.